Hey everyone, Tesla Tom here. Thank you so much for joining us today. I want to go through our exclusive Jowua accessories bundle in partnership with our channel Ludicrous Feed for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y right-hand drive owners across the world. Here it is here, partnering with YouTuber Ludicrous Feed, that's us. We present our exclusive bundle of products for Model 3 and Y owners of right-hand drive cars. This package of products has an original retail value of $590 and we are offering for 2 weeks at 10% off, nearly a $60 discount. This bundle is for drivers in Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore, or anywhere there are right-hand drive Teslas. This offer expires on the 20th of January 2023. So let's go through the bundle right now. So very easy to do. Choose the variant below and we'll go through the bundles, of course, for Model 3 and Model Y. Add to the cart, and during the checkout process, use the code LUDICROUSBUNDLE for the 10% off discount. And here it is here, Ludicrous Bundle, 10% off. That's the coupon code LUDICROUSBUNDLE. You should receive the bundle in 6 business days. And for our Australian viewers, shipping is free. For your local area, please check the terms and conditions for your delivery. And of course, if you want to purchase individual products, it is a Tesla Tom 5 coupon code that gives you 5% off site-wide for each individual product. All right, let's go through the bundle right now. So for Model 3 and Model Y, they are very similar. Of course, if you choose Model 3 or Model Y, you get the specific product for each variant. So they're both the same price, Model 3, Model Y, $590. Of course, with the coupon code, you get 10% off. And the Model 3 bundle only applies to 2021 and 2022 vehicles, so keep that in mind. So for the Model 3 bundle and Model Y bundles, you get the all-weather floor liners for the right-hand drive version, black tissue and storage box, all-weather trunk liners, center console organizer in grey, cup holder, tempered glass screen protector in matte finish, armrest organizer, LED light bar, mini LED hub, and the 3-port USB hub. Let's go through each picture right now. So that is the all-weather floor liners for the right-hand drive version, and there's the tissue box as well, which we have, which is quite nice. And for each of these products, we'll go through that in more detail later on as well. Trunk liners to keep your trunk or your boot and also your frunk or your bonnet in good condition. There's also an underfloor liner for the boot as well for that subfloor area. They're very good quality. And center console organizer, you get that in grey, and that's quite nice for that center area where you can store things, keep everything nice and tidy. And the cup holder as well, because this is produced in that siliconized rubber material, so it's easier to grip cups and drinks in the Tesla when you've got this cup holder in there. Makes the drinks more secure. And a tempered glass screen protector in matte finish, just to keep the glare off the screen and protect the screen, of course, from scratches. Armrest organizer, make things tidy as well. That's quite handy to have. LED light bar, so you can stick that into the armrest or the center console organizer. And it's got a sensor, so when you lift up the lid, then this light comes on. Makes it nice and bright in there. And a mini LED hub for extra USB A and C ports, which you can put into the center console. Makes it nice and tidy. And a 3-port USB hub. So with 2021 Model 3s and all Model Ys, the data port is now in the glove box. Stick this inside that USB A port in the glove box. And from there you can insert a USB flash drive or a solid state drive to record your dash cam and Sentry mode footage. And if you want more details for each one, you can press view details here. And then you can go through the pictures in more detail. You can zoom in and get a better idea of what they look like for each product. And from here you can then purchase each product. So let's say I want a Model Y version, press add to cart right there. And then from this screen it says you are eligible for free shipping, as I said, to Australia. Let's go to the cart now. Okay, happy with that. One Model Y bundle. Let's press checkout. And you must create a login as well. So I've got a login here with Jowua. Press login. Okay, so here is the checkout screen. And of course we have a discount code, which is Ludicrous Bundle. Ludicrous Bundle. Let's type that in. Ludicrous Bundle. Make sure you spell ludicrous correctly. LUDICROUS. Let's press apply. There you go. So I just got $59 off, and that makes the purchase price $531. So that's pretty good. 10% off discount until the 20th of January 2023. I should also let you know too that you can estimate your shipping. So for example, in Australia, let's estimate our shipping to 2000, which is Sydney's postcode. Estimate. There you go. Standard shipping, $0. Free shipping to Sydney, New South Wales, and everywhere else in Australia as well. And it's nice that Jowua set up this collaboration with us. There's some information about our website and also about Jowua, and a video of all the accessories I've gone through as well previously, so make sure you check that one out. I'll leave a link to that in the video description below, as well as any other Jowua products I've reviewed. And of course, like I said, if you want to purchase these products individually, there's a separate coupon code, TeslaTom5, site-wide for each individual product. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, this is an exclusive Jowua and Ludicrous Feed accessories bundle for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Make sure you use the coupon code LUDICROUSBUNDLE for 10% off those bundles. It's a great starter pack for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y that you have just received. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching. Until the next Ludicrous Feed video. Happy charging.